Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my vlog. I'm just coming out of work, and guess what I find? Oh man, I'm gonna go ahead. I do carry a mini air compressor around with me, which is at good old Shoemaker. Let's see if it's gonna do me any good here. So I've gotten this thing since 3 miles from the house. All right. See what happens. No, it's the light. Let's go to the other side here. Okay, I'm having a dilemma. I guess the hole is bigger than what this little compressor's putting out. It's putting out. Yep. What? Or the little air compressor is not putting out enough PSI. That could be too. This is not putting out enough air pressure in here to freaking do anything. Because I just heard it blowing it back out, and it could go in, but it's pushing it back out. That's telling me this thing is not got enough. Not even got enough air pressure. Huh. Been on for 10 minutes now. It ain't got enough. It hasn't even got enough pump pressure to get out. I got air coming back out of here. There isn't even enough. The pump hasn't even got enough pressure to inflate a tire. Ain't that something? I gotta get back with the manufacturer on that thing. I've had it a year, and I haven't had to use the air compressor, and now that I gotta use the air compressor, there's not even enough pressure to inflate the tire. Well, that's a waste. Jump start's okay, but you can hear the air coming out of it. But there is not there's not enough air pressure coming out of that. That was a waste. I wonder if it even blow up any toys or whatever. Well, that ended that idea. Okay, so this is the Escape, and I'm going to be doing a tire change just for video purposes. Now, this has got a big old donut under here, and now I got to drop it. And right here, maybe we'll see. Right here is where you drop it from. You're gonna get that thing right out of here, this little panel over here. I gotta figure out how to undo that thing. You come in here and everything's locked in here. I don't know how you gonna, how that works. I brought a crescent wrench, but if you're stuck out on the road, and of course today I don't have my frickin' impact in here either. So I can do everything by hand. And guess what? I actually had the new Pittsburgh jack in here yesterday, and I took it out. Wow. Somebody's gonna do this and they don't have anything available to undo that with, because that's coming out of the wall. Ain't this something? Huh. You want to make sure that's loose already. Are you going to have fun trying to get that out? This is going to be a by hand jack situation here. All right. Okay, and push that back. Maybe. Now. Hold on. Okay. I got it out. Right here. It sits down on that thing. It's pretty well locked in there. So, ladies, find this thing here. It's hanging right on the outside. And then grab that thing and just pry it. Get it moving. So, now we're gonna do the hand thing. Try and get that. What you're gonna do. This puppy here will go in here, this angle here. All right, and you got to put this end inside your main jack, and then you're gonna go ahead and then turn it. Okay, I'd go ahead and turn it and get it started. See if I can get that tire down. Okay, what you're gonna do? Use the angle of your lug wrench. Put it in that hole, and then turn it. And just keep going around and around. It should be dropping my tire. And go counterclockwise. I think. Yep. Can you see? It's dropping. All right. Now keep going. Because you got to get that middle piece out of that tire. This thing probably never been dropped. And of course the tire is probably underinflated too. So there you go. A little bit more. Okay, and you just saw that let go. Alright. That's full of mud. Yeah. Well, thing's been under there for years. Lots of mud under it. Now you're gonna have to lift it up, just get it, release it. Alright, there you go. Of course, that sucker's full of mud. It's never been off of the vehicle. So now I gotta get this jacked up. Break those nuts loose first. If you've If it's been in a shop, they've probably used an air impact, and it's probably way over torqued. Now I know these shouldn't be. These are about 110 to 120 foot-pounds. I know that for a fact because I physically torque them after I use my impact gun. And of course, this is brand new, so it'll go right on up once you get that through there. Might even get to a point where you put it up by hand. There you go. I can even put it up by hand once you get it released from its being tightly locked down. Yeah, gotta find some place right here. But you're gonna have to get under it. And usually you're about right here. I'm an advantage because I'm in a parking lot. And it's on asphalt. If you're stuck out on the side of the road someplace, it's not gonna be, you're not gonna be advantageous here. You might as well just call, make sure you got AAA. And I'm doing this just so I can show you guys what's happening here. I can see. And the other thing, these vehicles of this age are so old, depending on where you stick this, it may not even matter what you got for ground support. The frame may crack.